Hello everyone, this is me Ishan and you're watching the Ishanish art. So in last video we have been learning different kinds of art. So in this video we are going to learn about how we can frame our picture digitally. So let's start. First of all, you can go to start menu and you can open the Microsoft Word. I have the Word's 2016 version, so I'm going to click here the format. Now you have to get the design layout on the form of a different orientation. I personally like landscape format. Okay, it's under question. So let's get ready. Let's go to home button and let's insert the picture. So I'm going to frame on one picture. So let me go to the documents folder, digital arts. Today I'm going to frame on this picture. The picture is already in the MS Word now. So I'm going to do the repositions. So I'm going to do this in the center. I'm going to reposition. So on the center. So you can drag this line to whatever size you want to make the frame. So here I'm going to drag it this much. Okay, so let's do the again reposition. Okay, fine. So after going there are the options of framing on the section given here. So if you click over there, different kind of frame, you can get different effects with the shadow and looks so premium. So if you just go to that down bottom, you can get so many features. So all the frames look so exclusive and so interesting. So basically I used to do this kind of framing, which is because of being which is quite interesting. So all are interesting features given here. So you can select one of them, which one you like the best, and I'm going to settle down in one frame here. Okay, so this one, so I'm going to save my file here, documents. Okay, now I'm going to save my file, but you have to save your file in the PDF format. So I'm going to export this picture, create PDF. So let's go there. So I'm going to save this PDF. Now you cannot get the JPG file or you cannot save this picture in some social platforms because it is in PDF. So you have to convert this PDF into the JPG. So how to convert that picture into JPG? Let's go to the Google and let's search the Google here. Convert PDF to JPG. So here are so many free options. So let me click I love PDF. Select PDF file. So I'm going to the documents, documents, my digital works, and frame 1. I'm going to select this file. File is already gone there. So paste to PDF, convert to JPG. Now after clicking on the convert to JPG, download JPG files. I can download my files and here I'm going to open my file. Wow, So I really like this one. So you can use this pictures on your way, so you can share with the social media, or you can share, or you can just write down some notes over there, or best wishes on different occasions. So this is how you can create a beautiful picture with a frame. So I hope you have really enjoyed this video. Every time going to the file new one. So let me take the next frame: structure, layout, orientation, landscape, insert, pictures. So I'm going to frame on the next same picture. So let me do the reposition. So here are the frame instructions. So I really like this one. So you can change the different structure given there, and then the size of the frame, and its thickness going over there, and you can just customize the shadow. You can just create the reflections by your own. Glow over there, so you can create the glow of different color. You can create the soft edges. You can bevel it's 3D, or so you can do the 3D rotation also. So there are the features. So how you want to expose your work. So however, you can save your file after getting settled down in some idea. So let me settle down here. Okay, so normal. So this is my picture, which is ready. Really like this frame. I think I'm going to customize it slightly. Okay, so I want to make the border slightly in the gray color, so not so black, because it's total black. So I like this gray one. Oh, fine. I like the size of the border also. I'm going to do weight. I'm going to take a little darker. Okay, so let me take a little bit darker tone than this one. Okay, fine. So I really like this gray one, so I'm going to save this. I mean to say, I'm going to export this file to the PDF. Frame 2. Okay, alright, so the picture is ready now. So let me go to the same website where I can okay, let me go to the first one, or yes. Select a PDF. Select a PDF file. Into convert to JPEG. Download JPG file. Image. So now the next picture is also already downloaded. So it looks so premium. The edges of the border are so nicely done. So I hope you have really enjoyed this video, and this video is very useful for you.